If you are the CEO or business owner of a company, there are a few things you must do beyond your business plan. If you want to explore strategic ways to define a solid business plan, you can use this workflow that will guide you through it step by step. If you are looking to define the fundamental strategy for your company as a CEO or business owner, here are the 4 fundamentals. Use this workflow. It includes everything you need and can be customized to make it your own. Start by defining your business model. In other words, your company's plan for making a profit. This involves identifying the products or services your business plans to sell, the target market, and any anticipated expenses. This is a crucial step for any business, and this workflow will guide you through the process. Next, go a little deeper and define your strategy in a one-page process. Begin by outlining your target market, overall goals, key capabilities, strengths, profit margins for each product or service, brand promise, and short-term growth plan. The workflow will walk you through each step. So the next step is defining your sales and strategy. Start by figuring out how to increase your perceived value. The workflow will guide you through the steps and considerations when defining the value you provide to your clients. After that, add a session to define your sales strategy. For example, choose a tool that will help identify the best strategies based on your resources and potential clients. By the end, you will know whether to invest in social media, advertising, or email marketing, and you'll have an estimated budget. Then, move on to your objectives. This should help the whole team understand the key objectives that need to be achieved each quarter. At the end of each quarter, review the objectives and mark what has been completed. It's also a good idea to download and share this with your team, so everyone is aware of the company's objectives. While this is a great space to manage some of your key activities, what makes it truly valuable is that you can define processes that help you lead teams and delegate work. It also enables your team to work more confidently remotely while providing you with easy visibility into what is happening, what decisions are being made, and what knowledge is being shared, all directly from your calendar. Look, you have all key decisions right here. These are just some of the key activities a CEO needs to lead. For more activities, templates, and tools, visit Nova. Follow us for more.